Alright, Custom Gang, what up, man? We at work, at my job, and we got a 2016 Sierra 1500 here that we're going to be doing a little work on. As you see, the body, man, I already did the body work on it. All I'm finna do is get it prepped out so I can paint it. As you can see, what we got the fender, got a couple rock chips on there we got to fix, got the door, front door, rear door, and the bedside. So let's get it. Alright, what we're going to do, we're going to start off by cleaning all our panels on the truck. Get everything nicely clean. So let's get it. What I'll be using to clean my surfaces is SX394. It's like a water cleaner. Works real good too. As you see, I got it in my pump out here. Another thing you want to do too, you want to make sure you wipe your jams down. Well, basically, because sometimes people spray Armor All in them, and you don't want that to come back out on your paint surface, because if it does, it's gonna cause little dots on it, like they call them fish eyes. That's the paint term for it. But yeah, let's get these jams wiped. And wiping my jams, I always use lacquer pepper. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to run 6-inch paper on all our jams, so we won't get no overspray in the jam part. All right, let's break this down. What I did so far. Take my jams up, scuff my jam. Well, not the jam, but just like the right around the edges, as you can see, right around here, all my edges. That's key to any paint job, man. Make sure you get them edges scuffed, because if you don't, it's gonna peel up. Eventually, it's gonna peel up on them edges. That makes your paint job look tacky, man. But yeah, like I said, I did all my edges. Got everything all taped up. So now I'm finna go and shoot me some primer on my spots and get the rest of the truck sanded down so we get ready to paint it, man. So let's go. All right, we back. I done went over the whole truck with 800. Got everything all scuffed up, ready. So we finna pull it in the booth now and shoot some primer on it. And all those little dots and stuff, that were rock chips. So right there, that's a rock chip. Right there. Yeah. So yeah, I took care of the rock chips. Now we're gonna pull it in the booth, drape a little plastic over, shoot some primer on it. So let's go. First coat of primer. I'm gonna lay down one more coat after this. As soon as this dry, tack up, shoot me another coat of primer on those spots. Let's go. Alright, now primer is completely dry. I done baked it. Now it's time to block sand. I got 320 on my block here, on my dual block. See? Now you finna block. Always use the cross pattern when you're blocking your panels. Cross pattern, X pattern, whatever you want to call it. That's what you need to use. Alright, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna lay down 2 coats of clear. It's 2042, DCU 2042. Let y'all see the process, baby. Come on with me. Alright, that's 1 coat laid down. Got 1 more to go. I'm gonna let that tack up a little bit. Then I'm gonna put my 2nd coat down. Stay tuned. Alright, this is my 2nd coat. I seen on my panel where I got a little fish eye. I know where it came from. I'm damn tired. We're gonna roll with it. D.I.Y little walkthrough. Look good, don't it? Yeah, like I said, I had some problems back here on the back. If you can see them, like right up in here and right up in here where it fished out a little bit. But I came back with my 2nd coat of clear. Came back kind of heavy, you know, try to cover it up. So what I'm gonna do is, once this is fully dry, I'm just gonna wet sand and buff it. That should take care of that, hopefully. But yeah, it looks good. That's the whole process, man, of prepping and painting one. Just like that, we finished, man. Hey, y'all seen the whole process. I showed y'all. If y'all want to see more content like this, put it in the comment section below. And just like that, Mr. Rollo Cousin himself, y'all, pew!